D.I.Y. It means do it yourself. So let's make it.
Hi, my name is Maddie and welcome to Kids D.I.Y. Did you know that D.I.Y stands for Do It Yourself? Today we're going to be making our very own solar garden light pots. We'll be painting a terracotta pot to create our very own light up decoration for the garden. Should we find out what materials we need for today's DIY? Let's take a look in today's trolley. What do we have here today? I can see some terracotta pots, solar garden lights, acrylic paints and paintbrushes. Isn't it amazing that with all of these things we can make something really special like this? Do you want to make a solar garden light pot? Great, let's make one together. That must be the DIY team. Come in!
Hello.
Welcome DIY team, take a seat.
Pots.
Hi everyone, my name's Maddie. What are your names?
Miller. Kai. Georgia.
Nice to meet you all. Are you ready to do some DIY?
Yeah.
Does anybody know what this is?
No.
No. So it is a solar garden light pot. We're going to make one today, and we've got a painted garden pot which we've turned upside down from being this way. And we've got a solar light in the top with a solar panel. Does anyone know what solar is?
It is light that comes from the sun.
That's right. Solar is when the sunlight hits the solar panel on top of our garden light and it creates the energy which will power our light when it gets dark at night. First, let's decorate our pots. Decide on a design. It could be something simple like spots or stripes, or fun like animals, bugs or flowers. You can draw your design or paint it freehand, but don't forget we're going to turn them upside down so that the hole is on top for our solar light. Georgia, what are you going to draw on your garden pot?
I'm going to do like a stained glass window sort of design.
With lots of different colours?
Yeah.
How about you, Kai? What are you painting on your garden pot today?
Viper.
And what colour is your viper going to be?
Green.
Hey Miller, what are you going to be doing on your garden pot?
I'm going to do an avocado with a top hat, a bow tie and a briefcase.
All right, whilst you finish your designs, I might get the paint ready for everybody. How does that sound?
Good. Paintbrushes.
That's right, draw it, paint it, make it bright. Next, we'll prepare our solar light. Place the solar light into the hole of your pot. Make sure the solar panel faces the sun. The sun charges the solar light to create the light. All right, would everybody like to pick up their solar light and place it inside the hole of their garden pots? Now you can attach any extra decorations like stickers or gems to make your solar light extra special. That's right, glue it, stick it, that's how you do it. Finally, place your solar light in your garden for a beautiful light up decoration. Place it, charge it, wow, you've done it. Mila, can you tell us about what you've created?
I have put a lot of avocados on each side and an avocado and toast on the top.
Oh, is avocado your favourite food?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kai, can you tell us what you've done?
I've put a snake in the garden and I put my name on top.
On the top there. And Georgia, how about you?
I created like a stained glass window sort of design with lots of different colours.
It does look really special, and you've got a few different glittery colours that have some shimmers as well, which will look great when it lights up at night.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for being my DIY team today, everybody. You've created such wonderful garden lights.
Thank you.
Look at your amazing solar garden light pots. Great job, everyone. You've made something extra special for your garden. What an incredible journey we've been on today, creating these unique garden solar light pots. Everybody today has created something truly special and unique. Just remember,
Make it classic, give it a try.
I hope you had fun. Until next time, keep enjoying DIY. Bye for now.
DIY means do it yourself.
So let's
make it.